Hi everybody! I just recently got my first TaoBao package and I'm actually super excited for its contents. It contains SGPC K59 extremely tiny or compact PC case that can house full-size MATX motherboards, but it's only 8 liters, a bit even less than 8 liters of total volume. I will do the full review later, but here and now I would like to do a small unboxing and describe my first impressions. So inside the box we'll find instructions, screwdriver, plastic handle, fake leather strap that can be also used as a handle, a bag of screws and other utensils that are useful to build a PC inside this case, the case itself, a metal side panel and acrylic side panel. I don't want to talk about package more than I have to, because there's no magic to it. Package arrived safely without any dents, without dents and bends, so it's fine for me. Regarding the case itself, it's actually pretty heavy. It has nice weight to it, despite its very compact sizes. You can feel that it's not an aluminum case, it's actually steel that's powder coated. The coating, the paint job is actually very good. I didn't see any imperfections and everything has a very nice, a bit rough texture to it, so it's very pleasant to the touch. There aren't any rough edges, everything is nice and smooth and rounded, so the overall finish quality is very good. The steel panel metal panel is actually quite useless because it has very limited ventilation holes. So either, depending on your orientation, you're either choking your GPU or your CPU for airflow, but it matches the overall look of the case, so yeah, I guess it's fine. But the acrylic panel is very thick. It's actually like maybe 5 millimeters thick, so it doesn't bend easily. It feels very solid and has a lot of ventilation holes, so I will use it in my upcoming build. Overall, I think the case is very good. You can feel that somebody put thought into it. It's built well, it's finished well. The machine quality is good. You even have a countersunk screws for the metal side panel, something I didn't expect for it to have. It actually looks super tiny when comparing to my current build that's inside Sama IM01. In upcoming days I plan to switch my cases from Sama IM01 into this SGPC K59. I actually look forward to seeing how the temperatures will be, and I'm also curious if noise from airflow from air cooling will be annoying or not. And as a finishing note, I bought it from TaoBao by CSS BY agent, which was surprisingly smooth experience. First one I had, I never ordered anything from TaoBao before. I would like to record some video regarding how to order stuff from TaoBao, because comparing to AliExpress, TaoBao is a huge marketplace that's far more, I guess, superior or vast, that's a better word, than AliExpress. Okay, thanks for watching and I'll talk to you in the next one.